Hi, I'm Jim Gordon and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Marco Roque, President and CEO of Cassiar Gold. Marco, welcome.
Thank you, Jim. Pleasure to be here.
Great to have you. Okay, tell us about the Cassiar Gold property and why should investors be paying attention to it?
Absolutely. So Cassiar Gold, we are lucky enough to control an entire gold district. It's 60,000 hectares, 100% owned, and it's composed mainly by two areas. One is Cassiar North area, where we have a 1 million ounce resource, 1.5 gram per ton right at surface. It's open laterally in all directions. That's one focus of the exploration campaign this year. And the second area of focus is at Cassiar South. This is where we have these high-grade vein systems. These veins are 15 to 24 gram per ton material, 2 to 3 meter thick, and most of them open along strike. And that's really the focus of that aggressive exploration campaign that we have for this year.
Of course, people are the key to success for any company. Can you tell us about the individuals behind Cassiar Gold?
Maybe starting a little bit about myself. I'm actually Portuguese, born and raised. I started my career in banking. Then in the past 8 years, I've been investing and advising in the precious metal space. That's how I met Steve Ledwin, who is the largest individual shareholder of the company, while he was the CEO of IM Gold, and he also happens to be the chairman of Cassiar Gold. Other people that we have on our team is Doug Kerwin. He's our senior technical advisor. He's one of the main reasons I've joined this project. He sees a multi-million ounce potential in this project. He has made comparisons between the Cassiar Gold project and, for example, Fosterville. That camp has produced over 90 million ounces. They keep going, one of the lowest cost producers in the world. We also have, in addition to that, Steve Robertson on our board. He was in charge of permitting at Red Chris that got him the Schultz Award in Excellence in Mine Development in 2016. And then also, we also have David Rees. He's actually one of the most sought out structural geologists in orogenic gold systems. He usually consults only for majors, and we are very lucky to have him on our team. The rest of the team is outstanding as well. I invite you to check our website and have a look at some of their profiles as well.
Marco, let's talk more about the area you're working in.
So the Cassiar Gold Property is located in northern BC, very close to the border with the Yukon. So we have two ways to access it. We can come from Whitehorse, it's a 5-hour drive, or actually you can drive from Vancouver all the way to the million ounce resource without ever leaving a paved road. So access is really good, and we have Highway 37 bisecting our property there, and which basically also separates Cassiar North from Cassiar South. In addition to the paved roads, we have dozens of kilometers of property access roads. We have mine permits. We have a permitted mill on site, 300 tons per day, which is also fully owned. We have a camp, and we also have 25 kilometers of underground workings that connect the high-grade vein systems that I mentioned to all the infrastructure that we have at surface.
Tell us about the ongoing drill program and what you hope to achieve.
This year, we have a 12,000 meter drill program that is split roughly 4,000 meters at Cassiar North, where we continue to confirm and expand the Torres resource, which says it's already 1 million ounces and it's sitting right at surface, 1.5 gram per ton. In addition to that, we also have 8,000 meters planned for Cassiar South on the high-grade veins. These veins are 2 to 3 meter thick, 15 to 25 gram per ton material. We also have an historical resource there, roughly 70,000 ounces, 18 to 24 grams per ton. So at Cassiar South this year, we already released some high-grade results, and then into the rest of 2021 and also into the beginning of 2022, we expect to continue to release the results from our high-grade vein targets at Cassiar South.
Finally, what will be some of Cassiar Gold's major catalysts and developments in the near future?
So as I mentioned before, we will be releasing the rest of the results, the drill results from the high-grade targets at Cassiar South. In addition to that, we'll also be releasing the 15 drill holes, roughly just over 4,000 meters from Cassiar North. And following up on that, we will be coming out after analyzing these results with a program for next year as we continue to advance and further the project and uncover the multi-million ounce potential that we believe we have at Cassiar Gold.
Marco, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Jim.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.